2025 Mercedes-Benz EQS. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class has long been recognized as the brand's luxury flag-bearer. And the all-electric 2025 EQS offers an equally opulent experience, but in a body so softly rounded, it looks like it has been melting in the summer sun. Available with one motor and rear-wheel drive or two motors and all-wheel drive, the EQS can be optimized for an extended driving range or outfitted with up to 516 horsepower for maximum acceleration. Speaking of range, even the least efficient EQS 580 model was able to travel for over 350 miles in our highway range test, no small accomplishment. Tech lovers will find plenty to like inside the EQS's cabin too. With a total of 3 screens embedded into the dashboard and all manner of connectivity and driver assistance features incorporated into the architecture. Our chief complaints about the EQS are its blasé driving personality and its mushy, disconnected brake pedal feel. If you're prioritizing a plush, quiet ride, the EQS delivers exactly that. That its rivals, a list that includes the BMW i7 and the Lucid Air, offer both similar panache and better road manners makes the EQS a harder sell. What's new for 2025? The EQS receives a new front-end treatment for 2025 that replaces the faux grille and its inset logo with a 3-bar motif and a standing hood ornament in an attempt to make the EV sedan look a little more like the gas-powered S-Class. A more important upgrade lies beneath the EQS's floor, though. Mercedes has swapped last year's 108.4-kWh battery for a larger 118.0-kWh unit to boost range. Changes to the car's regenerative braking system will also contribute to a longer driving range estimate, according to the company. The cabin has been gussied up a bit too, with more chrome accents and contrasting piping on the rear seat's pillows. The top-spec Pinnacle trim can now be had with an executive interior package that adds a reclining rear seat and a front passenger seat that can fold toward the dashboard to create more rear seat legroom. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQS starts at $105,550 and goes up to $130,850 depending on the trim and options.